Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing principles of language teaching. Principle of motivation. It plays an important role in the development of a language. Next, principle of habit formation. As we master other skill after regular practice, this language can be mastered after regular practice. Next, in mother tongue habit are formed unconscious while in foreign language it is formed consciously. Next is principle of imitation. A child imitation his teacher very much. This the teacher must become a good model for the children. Tape recorder, radio, gramophone can also be used for said purpose. Next, principle of practice and drill. As mentioned above, language is a habit forming process, and habit comes from practice. Repetition of things at proper intervals should done. Next, next principle of oral approach. It is the quickest way of learning speech motivates the learners to learn. Introduction of lesson should begin with speech lesson because speech is vital in language learning. Speech must precede reading and writing. Next, principle of natural order of learning. Listening, speaking, reading, writing are four basic skills of a language. These skills should be taught in their natural order LSRW because a child first listens to the sound of a language, then speak and then start reading and writing. Next, principle of using mother tongue. Input from the target language in a simple graded manners can help. The general the In general, the use of mother tongue can facilitate the acquisition of foreign language. Next, principle of child-centered learning. Efforts should be made to have a student-centered class as far as possible. Next principle is individual difference. Every child is unique and different from others. In learning process, we have to keep in mind that learners possess different abilities, personalities, and belong to different background. Kothari Commission three language formula. In Hindi speaking states, Hindi, English, and MIL means modern Indian language. Next is in non Hindi speaking areas, regional Hindi and English. Third is its primary aim is to promote multilingualism and national harmony. Previous questions. First, a child-centered classroom is characteristic by CTET January 2012, and the answer is the variety of learning activities for the learners. Next, a language is a tool because CTET September 2016, and the answer is it is used for thinking. Third is process writing approach could be described as CTET September 2016, and the answer is bottom up approach.